Nice presentation. Little indicator light, very nice. So this is a little charging hub. So this is it. You want to remove the little contact plastic peel right there. Okay. We're going to give this left and right, so right ear, left ear. Let's give this a test. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Woohoo. So I have one in this ear and none in this. And as you can see it, some people rotate it different ways. I find that stays in there. That's not going anywhere. So when you tap it, you could actually, testing. So we turned it off. Turn it on. Testing. So that's low. Tap it again. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Yeah, so you can actually adjust it. And it beeps and lets you know. But definitely enhances. I mean, definitely enhances. So, testing, testing. Yeah, I would say that because of how easy they are to use, I would say that these are push in and play. I want to say plug and play, but they're just push in and you're ready to go. Like, they give you quick manual for showing you and everything, but very impressed with these because of how easy they are to use. Anybody could just pull them out, peel this off, boop, stick it in, and like you're ready to go. So, because like even holding like this, I can hear like, and again, world of a difference. So they get a plus, A+ from me.